Today we're going to show you how to create a stitch pattern of half double crochets with spaces. So we're going to start our new row by creating a turning chain, and we're going to chain 2. So chain 1 and chain 2, and then turn your work. And now we're ready to start working our new row. So we're going to skip the stitch that our chain 2 is connected to and work straight into the second stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull your yarn through your stitch. So you have 3 loops on your hook, and now yarn over and pull it through all 3 loops. And that is your first half double crochet. And now to create a space, we're going to chain 1. And then instead of going into the next stitch, we're going to go into the second stitch along. So we're going to skip 1. So yarn over, insert your hook into that second stitch, pull it through until you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through. And now you can see the space between our 2 half double crochets. So let's do it one more time. So chain 1, insert your hook into the second stitch along. So we're going to skip a stitch. And then complete your half double crochet. And you can see we've created another space. So you're just going to continue doing a chain 1 in between your half double crochets and skipping a stitch to continue this pattern to the end of your row.